Hey, what's up guys? Actually this project is my engineering final year project, and today I had decided to open source this project from all the hardware and software stuff, even the PPT and paper publications. So the link is in the description. Just go and download all the material of it, and please subscribe my channel. This project video is quite old, so take a look and enjoy it.
Hi guys, my name is Chirayu. In this video, we will talk about the robot iSweep. iSweep is an IoT-based autonomous floor cleaning robot. Let's see the hardware of it. The PCB, that is printed circuit board, is designed in a Proteus software. To connect the iSweep to internet, we use ESP8266, a low-cost cheap Wi-Fi module. The brain of iSweep is Arduino Mega 2560. It also contains the LCD 16x2 and relay. Coming towards the sensor, we use the IR sensors, L298 and motor driver circuit to drive the metal gear motor. Now let's see the working of the robot. We use Thinker.io server to connect the robot to internet. When we press the virtual button, the iSweep starts. It detects the walls by running the wall detection algorithm. When any kind of obstacle comes in front of it, an obstacle avoidance algorithm starts. So this is how the prototype iSweep robot works. Thanks for watching.